Zenith have done it again. Back in January, Zenith made huge waves in the industry with the Chronomaster Sport Collection, and today they are back. The brand new Chronomaster Original is here, and wow, does it pack a punch. But before we start with this review, we would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to join the Chisholm Hunter family. If you already have subscribed, we would like to thank you and welcome you back. Chisholm Hunter are proud authorised retailers of Zenith watches, so we'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have about this model. But enough of that, let's get into the good bit, the part you've all been waiting for. Let's get a little more personal with the Zenith Chronomaster Original. The new Zenith Chronomaster Original comes in 3 variations to suit any style. The headliner is the Chronomaster Original sized 38mm in stainless steel, with an instantly recognisable grey, black and blue tricolour dial. Zenith has also released the same watch in a rose gold case and another dial option. An incredibly good looking reverse panda dial that's black with silver sub-registers. I have to say, the stainless steel Chronomaster Original with the bracelet definitely takes the cake in my eyes. Let's talk a little bit about the specs of this model. The case diameter comes in at 38mm, which is actually a really nice fit. I can see this piece being paired with my suit and tie, but also taking a trip to the shops with me on a Sunday morning. To top this off, it comes in at 12.6mm in thickness, which raises the profile just enough to be noticed and catch the eye, but not enough to accidentally scratch or scrape the face, which is a huge relief. The indices are coated with superluminova, which is great for obvious reasons. They shine extremely bright in the dark, and I've honestly had no trouble at all reading this in these situations. And the cherry on the cake, besides the movement of course, which we'll come on to in a moment, is that the model is actually water resistant to 50 meters, which for most is plenty. You don't need to worry about taking this model to the pool with you, or even the sea if you manage to get on holiday. The case comes in stainless steel or rose gold, and functionality wise this piece of kit has it all. Hours and minutes in the centre, small seconds at 9 o'clock, 1/10 of a second chronograph, a central chronograph hand that makes 1 turn in 10 seconds, a 60-minute counter at 6 o'clock, and a 60-second counter at 3 o'clock. It just has it all. And at long last, we move on to the incredible movement. The caliber El Primero 3600, an automatic movement beating at a frequency of 36,000 VPH. Incredibly, this model holds up to 60 hours of power. But enough of the tech specs, have a look at this movement. Isn't that stunning? Thank you all for watching this Chisholm Hunter review. We have linked this watch down below for you to have a look at. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.